In this video, I will show you how to create Google Ads account. First, log into your Gmail account.
Then go to Google Ads website.
Then click on Start Now.
Now click on outside of the pop-up.
Now enter your business name. Now enter your website URL. Now click on Next. Now scroll down and click on Skip. Now scroll down and click on Set up an account only.
Now select your billing country. Then select time zone. Then select currency. Then click on Continue.
Now scroll down and click on Create New Payment Profile. Now fill up the form. First option, Profile Type. Select Individual. Now enter your legal name. Now enter street address. Now enter apartment number. Now enter city. Now enter pin code. Now enter state. Now click on Create. Now click on Add Payment Method. Now click on Add Credit or Debit Card.
Now enter your card details.
Then click on Save Card. Now scroll down and check the box. Now select No, then click on Submit. Now click on Verify. Now you will get OTP on your mobile. Now enter OTP. Now click on Submit.
Now see, here is showing your account was created. Now click on Continue. Here are showing some questions. Number 1. Is your organization an advertising agency? Select No. Question number 2. Who pays for your ads? Select option 1. Scroll down and click on Save and Continue. Now see, our account is created. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.